Guys, for this video, we're going to unpack the Chosen Wild Trick in order ko. By the way, kakagaling ko lang school. So, yes, let's go. Guys. Ayan. Ano siya, guys? Ano siya? Chosen Wild Trick. Ayan. Siyempre yung rubber tip. Rubber ba? Wait. Parang plastic siya na. Pero for sure rubber yan. Yes, yung zinit. Nice. And yan. And yung Chosen Wild Trick. Sheesh. Putik, di ko makuha. Okay. So guys, parts by parts, hindi ko muna ilalagay itong, ilalagay ko na itong. So ito na guys, yung nalagay ko yung sticker. So yes, medyo hindi siya pantay kasi hindi ako marunong maglagay. So yeah, let's go assemble, parts by parts. First, let's go. First, Chosen Wild Trick, yun. Second, Zenith Evolution. Kung rubber to rubber. Di pala. And Zenith. Third is Evolution. Yan. Yan na guys. Lagay ko na yan. Let's see the clicks. Yun. Ayos naman yung clicks. Decent. So, I know na may Chosen Wild Trick na tayo. So, ito siya na. Yan, tignan yung pinagkaiba. Yan. Wait. So, yan. Nice. Nabas yung mga wings niya. Talo si Chosen na ba? So, yun lang guys. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.